DaGrootX YouTube channel. So buckle up and let's go for a ride.
What's up, guys? It is 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 3 in the morning. It's time for an adventure. Waking up early this morning, getting over to LAX. My chariot awaits. Let's get going. I'm at LAX, and there is nobody here. It's wild. Going to Denver. Apparently there's some kind of storm. Maybe there's snow there, so they said that my flight might be canceled, but that's all part of the adventure. So we'll keep heading to racing.
Well, we made it. We're in the Palace Inn, the Great Palace. We got race things. Not a bad room, can't complain. We thought it was gonna be a little sketchier, but it's all right.
It's all right.
My boy Justin's here. We met up.
What's up?
CME Tire Pros. And Dan's coming in later. We're gonna go grab some sushi while we're waiting. So, getting through it. Got some food, and guess what's here? The truck. Finally, in person, I get to check out Dan Spalinger's Nissan Frontier rally truck. Check this thing out. Sweet. BTF, just like on the Xterra. This thing is rad. He's got a little bit of time on it. Look at that. Money. That's the bumper that I have on my red truck. I actually touched this bumper before it even got in his truck. This thing is ready to rock. So we're gonna go meet up with Dan and say hi, give high fives. Oh, look at this exhaust. That's sweet. That's way sweet. Sick.
Right now.
All right, guys, we just went to sushi as a team. Team. Here.
Team sushi.
This is Team Sushi drinking.
I had sake.
Oh no, that's the wrong way to do it.
The light.
Oh, there we lighting, studio lighting.
Studio lighting.
We just got sushi as a team building exercise for the race and stuff. We found out that Bill Gates can suck it. Stop it.
Allegedly.
Also,
Allegedly.
we found out that sushi is delicious here in Texas,
Wasn't too bad.
except for the weird stuff. And also, Shelly.
Oh, do you need directions? Yeah, I was
Shelly is a gangster. No.
Shelly, find us somewhere to go.
Okay. Oh,
Your choice.
really?
All right.
Going to the
Going
mail
to
strip joint.
Juarez.
We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's pre-running day. Put that on YouTube.
Oh, you can't say a bad word?
I probably can, but I'll get demonetized.
There's legal.
I'll get demonetized. Really? All right. We'll see you tomorrow. What's up, guys? It's day 2. Pre-run day a little bit. So what's the plan today, Dan?
Well, 2 vehicles, so we'll go out and run the course, which is a 50-mile loop. So we'll run it slow, take notes on the danger areas. We got the map in the GPS, so we're good on that. But just noting where the danger spots are, where the intersections are, so we don't get confused during the race. And 10 o'clock in the morning now, should take about 2.5 to 3 hours to run it.
Bouncing all over
yeah,
the whoops.
so
We're gonna go check all the whoops out.
And see who pukes first.
Yeah, after a night of rousing sushi and then
sake and
Applebee's,
tequila, and
it's gonna be an interesting run today. All right, well, let's get after it. So here we are, going for the actual pre-run, or the race notes. Take some race notes. I'm gonna drive the course in the Titan in the rental. Rental, baby. We figured out how to take traction control off, so we should be golden. But
Oh, that was a shark.
here's the course. A lot of this turns into a lot of whoops.
Oh, yeah, the whoop city.
So, be very interesting in Dan's truck. He's got a lot of travel, but no heavy bump in the front. So we're gonna have to be careful in some of these whoop sections, not overspeed it and start donking ourselves up. So
check back in when we get some more sections.
Here we got a long whoop section. We're cruising at about 15 miles an hour in the Tahoe, and it is just big whoop after big whoop. Not much you can do here other than just go up and down, which is really good after a night of sushi. So as you can see, this is going to be an interesting part of the course. We don't quite have that trophy truck travel and power and stuff, so it'll be interesting. Hopefully we'll get some video of that. But for now, this is what it is. Taking notes. As you can see, they came out yesterday and marked the course pretty good, so that's nice. When we came out, or they came out sometime between yesterday and today, and marked the course really good. So at least there's that. So we're gonna have good course markings, which is nice. Yesterday we just saw a couple things on bushes that looked like it might have been course markers, so we were a little sketched out about the course that way. But so that's good. Dang, got stuck.
Why don't we just keep your tire pressure gauge? Why don't we just air them down? Air them down and get out.
Was this right here, or I wasn't paying much attention to that?
Just stop the fire.
He's not stuck. Let's air down the tires a little bit. This stuff is actually pretty sandy. It's basically wet sand. So some spots just kind of, as you can see, the top's a little wet, but right below it's a little softer. So we'll get them out. Justin, what's going on here, man?
We just got a little bored.
Yeah, we were tired of just sending the Tahoe too hard. So,
you know, give ourselves a little project right now.
yeah. So
We're at about 30 all the way around.
the most premier off-road tires, the Michelin Street Plus. We'll see how this works. I'd say hook it hard left,
Yeah.
because you're kind of pushing up against this little hill. Go, 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 left, left, stop. Well, there you go, guys. It ended up taking us about 4 hours to get through the course today, just because our average speed was like 15 miles an hour or something like that. It took a long time to get through the whole course. Really cool course. There's lots of fun areas. Tomorrow morning, we're actually going to take the race truck out, and we're going to get some seat time for the drivers, just to get used to it and stuff. So that's tomorrow morning, and we'll get some video, and we'll be posting something up. Tomorrow, the day after. I don't know how this is going to work for you guys watching on YouTube, but follow along, and we'll see you tomorrow.